for your NEET SS preparation. All that you need to crack the NEET SS 2022 is already in place. Right? We have exhaustive syllabus coverage. I should rather say we have complete syllabus coverage. Hi guys, my name is Dr. Santosh Patil and I teach internal medicine for Prepladder NEET SS, and today I am connecting to you to discuss the preparation strategies for NEET SS 2022. Right, now we guys are very much familiar that the exam pattern is going to change in the 2022 version. So far we were giving two papers for every specialty that we are aspiring for. There was a paper 1 which was based on the broad specialties, feeder specialties, and then we had a paper 2 which essentially comprises of the questions coming from the specialty which we are applying for. But in 2022 the pattern is going to change. So in 2022 we will be facing 150 questions. So there will be a single paper of 150 questions. All of the questions are going to come from the parent broad specialties, and the details of which has been already discussed on various sessions. Right? And National Board of Examination had given out a very clear pro forma about this system. So just to give you a rough idea what is this, in the 2022 NEET SS examination, regardless of your eligibility stream, you will be facing the paper for a specialty depending on the parent broad specialty. For example, you may be aspiring for an endocrinologist and you may be from pediatrics. So if you are a pediatrician aspiring for endocrinology, you have to face 150 questions from general medicine, general internal medicine. That is because endocrinology has its parent broad specialty as internal medicine. So general medicine is a parent broad specialty for endocrinology, and regardless of where you come from, whether you are coming from the pediatrics or whether you are coming from internal medicine, you will be facing a paper which comprises questions from internal medicine, right? So similarly, for example, critical care, an anesthesia person may be eligible, emergency medicine person may be eligible, and similarly internal medicine and respiratory medicine, all of them are eligible. But because critical care medicine has internal medicine as its parent broad specialty in the STEM that was released by the National Board of Examination, all of you will be giving internal medicine paper if you are aspiring to get a DM critical care seat. So the essential understanding is that we have to be very solidly well versed with the broad specialties, right? So let me tell you, being an internist, what are your preparation strategies if you're preparing for a specialty which has internal medicine as parent specialty? Okay, what is the best textbook? No doubt, no guessing, obviously it is Harrison, right? But then I have certain problems or observations. If you look at 2019 to 2020 NEET SS recalled questions, you will realize that some of the questions you would have answered wrongly if you had followed Harrison. The reason behind that is Harrison is not fully updated as of now. The current edition, that is 20th edition, is definitely due for renewal and it is almost 4 years old. So guidelines, the diagnostic protocols, many things have changed. Now where do we look for the updated information? Well, one way is to wait for the Harrison's next edition to come. The other way is also you can connect with Prepladder, and for the version 2.0, the newly revamped version that we are coming out with, we have taken care to update all the information to the current standards. Right? So that is one definite good source for you to prepare or look for the updated information. Okay, Harrison is a good book, definitely, beyond any doubt, but update is very much essential. Okay, you can also bank on API textbook of medicine, but according to me, this is also due for renewal or due for new edition. Okay, so API is also a good source, not as great as Harrison, but still a good source. But this is also due for updation or renewal. Okay, and if it comes to MCQs and video lectures, obviously Prepladder NEET SS is a sure shot companion for your preparation for NEET SS. So I would recommend Prepladder NEET SS itself. And in Prepladder NEET SS, we are coming out with version 2.0. In version 2.0, we have made sure that you get the best of the content for your NEET SS preparation. All that you need to crack the NEET SS 2022 is already in place. Right? We have exhaustive syllabus coverage. I should rather say we have complete syllabus coverage from A to Z of internal medicine that you should know that is important for the examination is covered through video lectures. Right? Is covered through video lectures, and these video lectures come with hard copy notes. Right? That is very essential point, because once you go through the video, definitely there are options for you to play back at faster pace to revise, but having hard copy notes makes it really easy. And probably all of you agree with me on this, right? So Prepladder NEET SS version 2.0 gives you video lectures with hard copy notes. Okay, And also we have improvised our MCQ Q bank. Now the MCQ Q bank keeps in mind the latest examination pattern, and we have also devised and designed our mock examination to match the latest examination pattern. Right? So from interface to the quality of MCQs, everything is set to the current examination standard for the NEET SS 2022. Right? So my recommendation is PrepLadder NEET SS 2.0 is the best source for preparation of the NEET SS. And we have already started receiving bookings, and this might be a great news for all of those who are preparing for the NEET SS 2022. Right. Connect to me on PrepLadder and we will be discussing all the essential things that you should need to know to crack the examination, not only about the syllabus, not only about the medicine, but strategies, previous papers, simple hacks and mnemonics, all that we will be discussing through PrepLadder.